S.B Natural Beauty. In today's video, we're going to be creating this Twiggy's inspired 60s makeup look. It's got that simple one-colored eyeshadow with that standard Twiggy eyeliner and some drawn-on bottom lashes. And I kept the skin really simple, some glossy lips and some fake freckles. If you guys want to see how I created this look, keep watching. To hydrate and moisturize, I'm going to be using the Sephora All Day Hydrator. I'm really going to pack this into my skin and then massage it all over my face. I even take this down to my neck. Then I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Hyaluron Expert Eye Cream just to hydrate my under eyes as well. And then I'm just using my ring finger to tap that underneath the eyes. I'm going to be using a light colored Revlon concealer as an eye base. I'll just dot that onto my eyelids and I'll buff it out with a little shader brush. I'm also adding some more concealer right underneath my eyebrow to carve it with the concealer. I'm going to comb through my eyebrows using the back side of this Maybelline eye pencil, and I'm going to be using the same pencil to fill in all the empty gaps in my eyebrows and shape it as necessary. Then I'm going to be using my very heavily loved Suva Beauty Cupcakes and Monsters palette, and I'm going to be using this minty colored eyeshadow shade all over my lid. I'm taking a dense shading brush and just packing this color all over my eyelid, but I'm stopping right at the crease. As always, I keep packing this eyeshadow in layers until I'm happy with the pigment. I go in with a smaller tip brush and I put this on my lower lash line as well. To ensure that it's not too harsh, I'm going to use the same shading brush we first used and blend that out. Then I'm going to be using this Essence Tiny Tip eyeliner to start drawing the line right on my crease. I'm going to go slowly in little movements so that it doesn't become too thick in one go. On this eye, as you can see, my liner became a little thick, so I just take some concealer on an angled brush and I clean that up on top of the eyeliner. For my actual wing liner, I'm going to be drawing this as normal, but instead of taking the wing upwards, I'm going to take it downwards. You can clearly see how I draw the downward facing eyeliner on this eye. Then I'm going to start drawing the individual bottom lashes. I'm just going to draw 5 or 6 per eye, and I'm going to keep like an equal distance between each eyelash. Yeah, I'm drawing 5. To start doing the face, I'm going to be using this ordinary foundation. I'll just bump some on my face, and then I'm going to be using my large buffer brush to just blend that out. To highlight, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty Concealer in 310, and I'm just going to highlight in the areas as I always do, underneath my eyes to lift it up a little bit, my forehead, bridge of the nose, Cupid's bow, and chin. I'm going to be using a smaller buffer brush, this one's from Fenty Beauty, to blend the concealer out. For face powders, I'm going to be using this new Hindash Beautopsy palette. I'm going to be using the yellow shade on top to just brighten and set underneath my eyes. Then I'm going to be mixing these brown shades, brown and grey shades, Feel and Real, for my contour / bronzer. I go in with my cheekbones, my forehead, and then around the bridge of my nose. I'm going to be using these pink shades for my blusher, and I'll first start with the highest points of my cheeks. Then I realized in a 60s look you'd really have blush all over, especially on the apples of your cheeks. So I concentrate this blush towards the apples of my cheeks and then take it all over my face. Now I'm going to be using this Fenty Beauty cream bronzer in the color Teddy, and I'm just going to be using a small eyeliner brush and like dotting this on to be fake freckles. I dot it on and then I use my finger to blend it out so that it's not too harsh. I also go in with a darker contour shade and I do the same process. Then I'm going to be using this Me Gold eyeshadow. It's actually an eyeshadow, but I'm going to be using it as a highlighter on my cheekbones. Again, the bridge of my nose, my cheekbones, the inner corners of my eyes, my brow bone, and a little bit on my Cupid's bow. Then I'm going to be using this mint colored highlighter from Fenty Beauty just for the center of my eyes to make it pop a little bit more. I then put on some big fluffy lashes from Prima Lash. I just stick it on and then press them down to my natural lashes. And then for lipstick, I use this NYX Shine Loud lipstick. And I'm going to top that off with the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Cream in the color Honey Waffles. Finishing off with some matching mint colored earrings, and that's the final look. And that's it guys, that's a complete makeup look. If you guys like this video, make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe.